Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. So what we discussed in previous class, just I will recall it and then we will go forward. Okay. In the previous class what we have done, we have started 3-digit number. So if the 3-digit number, what will be the places? Okay. Always places we will start reading from left to the right. Or right to the left? Yes, tell me. The places always we will read out from right to the left. Suppose, example, 395. So, the places how we will read from right to the left. So, this is right and the left. This is ones, tens, hundred. Got it? So, these are the places of 3-digit numbers. So, 3-digit number places are ones, tens, hundred. Okay, we will write it in the place value chart. So, ones, tens, hundred. So, in the ones place will be 5. Tens place is 9. 3 and the hundred place is 3. Next, we have discussed about place value. Okay, these are the places of the number and what will be the place value of that respective number. Okay, now we should think about place value. Okay, what will be the place value of 5? Okay, how we will decide the place value? So, number should multiply with the place. So, now ones is the place of 5. So, 5 will be multiplied with its respective place. So, now to write the place value of 5, so 5 is the number and multiply with its place. What its place? Ones. Ones is nothing but 1. So, 5 1 is 5. Now, the place value of 5 is 5. Now, what is the place value of 9? Okay. 9 is in, the number is 9. Is in which place? 9 is in tens place. So, what is the value of tens place? Tens is nothing but 10. So, 9 into 10. This number should multiply with its place. So, 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Now, the place value of 9 is 90 because it is in tens place. 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Now, what is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 3? 3 is in which place? 3 is in hundreds place. So, 3 into 100. So, 3 hundreds are 300. So, instead of 1, 3 ones are 3 and 2 zeros. Okay. Okay. Now the place value of 3 is 300. Why? Because 3 is in hundreds place. So 3 into 100, 300 is the place value of 3. Okay. Now we discussed about place value. And one more thing is face value. The face value. The number itself is the face value of respective numbers. Okay. What is the face value of 5? 5 only the face value of 5. What is the face value of 9? 9 itself is the face value of 9. Don't think about places and all. Just face. What is the face of the number? That itself the face value. Now, what is the place value of 3? That is 3 only. Okay, now let's open the textbook. Open your textbook, page number 188. Quick check. write the place value of the encircled digits and complete the chart. First one they have done it. Okay, let's do quick check. First one. One, three, five, D, 4, 1, 2. Okay. Now place value we should write. See, they have circled the number. So that number we should write the place value. Now 8 is circled. So 1 they have done, that is 8 tenths. 8 tenths is nothing but 80. Next 200s. 200 is nothing but 200. Then 5 ones. Write the answers in your textbook also. Then 400. Okay, how to write the place values? We should multiply the place with the number. Here 100 into 4, 400. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 100, 200. 8 into 10, 80. Okay. Next, second one. Write the place value for given 3-digit numbers. One is done for you. A 514. So 4 into 1, 4. 1 into 10, 10. 5 into 100, 500. Next B 368. So 8 into 1, 8. 10, 6 into 10's place, 6 into 10, 60. 3 into 100, 300. Next C 245. 5 into 1's 5. 4 into 10, 40. 2 into 100, 200. Okay. Now D, I will write here D. Can you see this? Yes. 665. So 5 into 1's 5. 6 into 10, 60. 1's 10's 100. 100 into 6, 600. Yes. Next, write the place value of the blue colored digits. Okay. Third one. A, B, C, B, C. 5, 3, 3, 2, 9, 1, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 3. So blue colored number. Then B. This is B. This is C. This is B. And this is D. 5, 6, 3. So blue color is 6. 3, 2, 4 is blue color. Then B 9, 3, 1. Next 4, 5, 2. So which is in blue color, that number we should write the place value. Okay. Now see, 6 is in blue color. So which place it is? Ones, tens. Tens means 10. 10 into 6, 60. Like this you should write the answer. B. Again ones, tens. 10 into 3, 30. Come here. This is in which place? Ones place. Ones means 1. 1 into 4, 4 is the answer. Here also same. 2. 2 into 1, 2 is the answer. Next, write the face value of the encircled digit. Fourth is, write the face value of circled digit. One, one, 7, 7, 0, 8, 8, 6, 9, 2, 9, 3, 3, 7, 1, 6, 3, 9. Okay. Which number has circled, that number face value we should write. Now see, here 1 is circled. So what is the face value of 1? 1 face itself 1. 8, 8. 7, 7. Don't think about places, anything, whatever. Okay. To write the face value, you just write the number itself. 8, face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value means the number itself. Whatever a number ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ number ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋದು. That is the face value. But place value, you should multiply the number with its respective place. So in which place the number will be, that number and the place together you should multiply, then that will be the place value of given number. Okay, today what we learnt, we have completed quick check page number 188, and you should be perfect with place value, face value, then how to form the numbers, 2-digit numbers, then expanded form. So in the next class I will explain you the expanded form. What is the expanded form? Just now I will show you what is the expanded form. Expanded form. The number itself is telling the meaning of it. Expand means to increase or enlarge it. Yes. So the numeral will be in short form. According to its place values, we should enlarge it or we should expand it. That is known as expanded form. Just see 398. This is one example, and you know how to write the place values now. Okay, what is the place value of 8? 8. Place value of 9? 90. What is the place value of 3? 300. These place values we should connect with the plus, that is known as expanded form. Just according to the place values you should write. So 3 into 100, 300. 9 into 10, 90. 8 into 1, 8. In between, if we write plus, this is known as expanded form. Yes, got it? It's very easy. According to the place values you should write. One more example. 935. So how we will read? 935 as it is 900 plus 30 plus 5. This is expanded form. One more example. 803. So 800 plus 1, 10's place is nothing, having 0. So you can write 0 or else write directly 3. This is also correct. 800 plus 3 is also correct. Okay. This is about expanded form. Quick check page number 189. You can solve. Thank you.